What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys have already seen the title of the video, use Facebook Pro instead of Facebook. So in this video I will show you what are those pro features that you can't find in a normal Facebook. So guys, watch the video till end. If you have not subscribed this channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. So let's get started. First of all guys, if you want to download this application, you can check the description. The link is given in description. You can download this application from the given link. After downloading the application, just click on the application and log in the Facebook account here. After logging in into Facebook account, you can see here the interesting feature. You can also log in the various social media accounts from here. Now guys, if we will talk about the pro features of Facebook Pro here, the first pro feature of Facebook Pro, in normal Facebook you got only 3 options: like, comment and share. But in Facebook Pro you got 4 options: like, comment, share and more. In more you got these options: copy post link, video downloading, Facebook share, app share. The most important thing here is you can download the Facebook videos directly from Facebook. Like if I will tap on the video downloading, you can download this video directly from Facebook. Now guys, the other pro features of Facebook Pro, tap on the 3 dots and you can see here the settings. Just click on the settings and you can see here these options. The first option here is advanced color selector. You can select the app color. After that you got another option, enable HD videos. From this option you can download the Facebook videos directly in HD quality. After that guys, you got another option, hide hidden post hints. In normal Facebook you got a hints of hidden posts, but after enabling this option in Facebook Pro you can't get any hints from hidden posts. After that you got these options that you also can find in a normal Facebook: enable notifications, enable message, enable vibration, enable notification LED, select sounds, notification check frequency. But the pro feature here is quite ours. What does it mean? It means if you want to mute a Facebook from an selected hour, you can select that hour and mute the Facebook from an selected hour. After that guys, you got another pro feature, passcode lock. From this option you can log this application by setting an passcode. After that guys, you got another pro feature here, open link with. You can select any browser from where you want to open the Facebook links. After that guys, you got another pro feature here, select your navigation. If you want to change the navigation from top to bottom, you can choose here. For example, I will change the navigation from bottom to top. I will select the top. You can see here the navigation is changed from bottom to top. If I will change it to from bottom to top, like I will go into settings and select from top to bottom. You can see here the navigation is moved from top to bottom. After that guys, you got another option, AMOLED. From this option you can turn it to dark theme. You got another option here, night light. You can select the night light from here. After that guys, you got another option, larger text. You can change the size of the text from Facebook. Now guys, you got another option, themes. You can see here the green color. If I will change it to blue, you can see here the color is changed into blue. After that guys, you got another option, display rocket icon. Now guys, the another pro feature of Facebook Pro here is hide stories. After enabling these options, you can hide the stories of Facebook. Now you can see here the Facebook stories are disabled. If I will change it to back, I will go to settings and enable stories. Now you can see stories here. Now you can see here the another pro feature, hide similar posts. After enabling this option, you can hide the similar posts from Facebook. Got another option, enable swipe between tabs. After that you got another option, choose your messenger. You can choose any messenger for Facebook. You got another option here, home feeds. You can select stories, most recent or home feed. You got another most important feature here, highlight posts by keywords. Like if I will select clothes, I will get the highlighted posts from clothes. Now the reverse feature of this option is hide posts by keywords. Like if I will type here the sponsored, like sponsored. I have already typed the sponsored. After typing this sponsored, the Facebook Pro will automatically hide those posts highlighted with sponsored. After that you got another pro feature here, display link from clipboard. Now the last pro feature here is enable text selecting. You can select the text from where you want to select. I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.